how to turn off message request on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off message request on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the settings section, simply scroll down and tap on message and story replies. And now here in this section, just select message request option. And now here in this section under who can send you message request, there you can simply change it to no one. And here also for extra privacy, you can send who can add you to group chats to people that you follow or have messaged before. And here with that, you'll be able to turn off message requests from strangers on Instagram. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.